In the vast cosmos, there are places where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. Welcome to an expedition like no other, a journey that transcends the boundaries of reality and ventures into the realms of the unimaginable. We're about to embark on a quest to uncover the secrets of hypothetical planets where the fundamental principles of physics come undone. Picture this, a world where time flows backward, where the sunset heralds the dawn and the sun rises to signal the night. Imagine a planet where gravity is a mere whimsy, where you might find yourself walking on walls or floating in midair, defying the very essence of what we understand as up and down. Our expedition won't stop there. We'll delve into the depths of the library of infinite knowledge, a planet where every book ever written, or yet to be written, is at your fingertips. And just when you think we've pushed the limits, we'll explore the mirror planet, where you'll meet your mirror image with an opposite personality. These are just glimpses of the extraordinary journey that lies ahead. We're not just exploring the cosmos, we're pushing the boundaries of our understanding, venturing into the unknown, and challenging the very rules that govern our universe. These hypothetical planets may sound like they've been plucked from the pages of a science fiction novel, but they're grounded in real theories in the fascinating and often perplexing world of theoretical physics. They represent the outer edges of our understanding, the frontiers of our knowledge. So, are you ready to defy reality, to challenge what you know, to explore the unexplored, to journey beyond the edge of comprehension? We're about to embark on a voyage that will challenge the way we perceive the universe and everything in it. So buckle up, because we're about to take a journey that will stretch your imagination to its limits. Our first stop, the reverse time planet. A fascinating realm where the arrow of time, as we know it, takes a U-turn. In this weird and wonderful world, the concept of time as we understand it on Earth flips on its head. Imagine a place where the past is the future and the future is the past. A place where cause and effect are reversed, where the apple falls upward from the ground to the tree. It's like watching a movie in rewind, constantly moving from the end to the beginning. Here the sun doesn't rise in the east to set in the west. Instead it retreats from the west and concludes its journey in the east. The day starts with a sunset, painting the sky in hues of red and orange, before fading into the calm blues of daylight. The stars, instead of twinkling into existence as darkness envelops the world, would fade away as the light grows brighter. Now, you might be wondering, how would life function in reverse? Well, that's a head-scratcher. Imagine a world where you wake up in the morning already full, only to have dinner and grow increasingly hungry. A world where words are spoken backward and actions are performed in reverse. But remember, time's reversal doesn't mean we're moving backwards in time. It's just that the flow of events is opposite to what we're accustomed to on Earth. The concept of time reversal is a fascinating field of study in theoretical physics, and while it's purely speculative at this point, it serves as an intriguing exploration into the mysteries of time itself. From sunset to sunrise, a day on the reverse time planet would be a sight to behold. But don't pack your bags just yet, because our journey beyond the edge is just getting started. Stay with us as we continue our voyage into the unimaginable. Next up, the gravity Defiance planet. This is a place so extraordinary, it challenges our most fundamental understanding of the universe. Here, gravity, the force that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground, behaves in ways we can barely begin to comprehend. Imagine stepping off a spaceship onto the surface of this planet, only to find yourself not sinking into the soil but rising into the air. Yes, you heard it right. On this planet, gravity doesn't pull you down, it pushes you away. It's as if the entire world is a giant magnet, and you are of the same polarity. Or consider this, you're out for a leisurely stroll and suddenly, the ground beneath you isn't beneath you anymore. Now it's to your left, or maybe to your right, or even above your head. You're not walking on the ground, you're walking on walls or even the ceiling. Up is down is up, left is right, and right is left. Every direction is every other direction, and it's utterly mind-boggling. And then there's the possibility of floating in midair. Not because you're in the zero-gravity environment of space, but because the planet's gravity is anomalously suspended in certain areas. You could be walking one moment and floating the next, suspended in a gravity-free zone like a balloon that's lost its string. This is the gravity Defiance planet, a place where the laws of physics take a vacation and leave chaos in their wake. It's a playground for the imagination, a world where the impossible becomes possible, and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. But as wild and crazy as this planet may seem, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Theoretical physics allows for the existence of such places in the multiverse where the laws of nature could be very different from what we know. It's a reminder that the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we could ever imagine. Whoa, I think I need a seatbelt for this. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of the Library of Infinite Knowledge? This isn't just any ordinary library. Picture a planet where every book ever written, or yet to be written, exists. Sounds like a dream come true for the knowledge seekers among us, doesn't it? Here, in this cosmic library, the shelves stretch out into infinity, each one teeming with books that contain the wisdom of the ages, the secrets of the universe, and the untold stories yet to unfold. From the earliest cave paintings to the most recent scientific discoveries, every piece of knowledge that ever existed is at your fingertips. The past, the present, the future, it's all here encapsulated within the boundless boundaries of this extraordinary library. But what does it mean to have infinite knowledge? To answer that, let's delve into the concept of infinity. Infinity is a concept that transcends our everyday understanding of numbers and space. It's not a number, but rather a concept that represents an unending quantity. In the Library of Infinite Knowledge, this concept is brought to life. Every book that could possibly be written, whether it's about the history of the universe, the mysteries of the human mind, or the future of technology, is already here, waiting to be discovered. What's even more mind-boggling is the idea of accessing future knowledge. How is it possible to read a book that hasn't been written yet? Well, in this library, the laws of time and space as we know them break down. The future, like the past and the present, is just another shelf in the library. It's an intriguing concept that challenges our understanding of time and causality. Imagine having access to every piece of knowledge in the universe. That's the Library of Infinite Knowledge for you, a place where the thirst for knowledge is quenched, where the unknown becomes known, and where the future is as accessible as the past. It's a testament to the limitless potential of knowledge, a beacon of enlightenment in the vast cosmos. It's truly a place where the mind is set free to explore, learn, and grow beyond its wildest dreams. And let's not forget the mirror planet. Picture a world that not only reflects your physical appearance, but also mirrors your personality in an uncanny and opposite manner. Here you could encounter your exact mirror image, but with a twist. They possess an entirely opposite personality. Imagine stepping foot on this planet and coming face to face with yourself. But wait, this isn't the you that you're familiar with. This version of you is boisterous, where you're quiet, cautious, where you're adventurous, and outgoing, where you're introverted. It's like stepping into a parallel universe where everything is flipped. This concept challenges our understanding of individuality and identity. Would meeting your mirror image challenge your view of yourself? Would it make you question your own personality traits, or perhaps make you appreciate them more? The concept of mirrored personalities is a fascinating one. It brings up questions about nature versus nurture, and how our experiences shape our personalities. If your mirror image has lived the same life as you but reacted differently to those experiences, what does that say about the essence of who we are? The mirror planet also raises intriguing questions about the duality of human nature. We all have different facets to our personality, and often, these facets are in opposition to each other. The mirror planet brings these contradictions into sharp focus, revealing the complexity of the human psyche in a new light. This hypothetical planet is more than just a thought experiment. It's a mirror held up to our own self-perception, challenging us to delve deeper into understanding ourselves and others. It's a place where we can explore the boundaries of personality and identity, and perhaps come to a new understanding of what it means to be human. Meeting your mirror image with an opposite personality, wouldn't that be a strange encounter? These hypothetical planets may sound like science fiction, but they're grounded in real physics theories. Today, we've journeyed across the cosmos, discovering worlds where time flows in reverse and gravity defies our expectations. We've uncovered the Library of Infinite Knowledge, a place where every book, ever and yet to be written, exists. And we've encountered the enigmatic mirror planet, where your exact opposite might just be waiting to meet you. These intriguing concepts push the boundaries of our understanding and invite us to question what we think we know. They remind us that the universe is a place of infinite possibilities, where the only limit is our imagination. So, are you ready to delve deeper, to push beyond the edge of the known universe? Join us next time on Beyond the Edge as we venture into the darkest corners of the universe, where even light fears to tread.